nice card.
All right, folks, back at J&J Sports Cards. We got live box breaks. We got 2 boxes of 07 Leaf Limited football. These guys are doing a little box poker here.
Jim McMahon. That's the same
For one's
card
got Jim
you
McMahon,
before.
Deuce McAllister, number 45 of 100. Oh, Tom Brady. Oh,
So Lee
that's
Evans.
a sick patch, man. Lee Evans. That's a nice patch right there.
Got a nice Jason Hill auto.
16 of 25. Jason Hill. Rookie jersey auto. Number 25 of 25.
And Deuce McAllister.
Deuce McAllister. Piece of jersey. Number to 100.
Got a Willie
On the other
Parker.
hand, we got a Willie Parker.
Yeah, Willie Parker.
Chris Collinsworth. Leroy Selman. Darrell Green. Number 2 of 100.
Kenobi, auto.
Obi-Wan Kenobi auto. Number 299. Julius Jones, and then the nice one. Who we got?
Wow, nice patch.
Bob
Bob
Greasy,
Greasy,
team
sick
trademarks. Number 2.
17
50.
of 50.
Trills to the big homie.
Nice.
Yeah, this is a nice patch.
I don't know who won that one, but tune in, folks. J&J Sports Cards.
I think he